Here is the final video, and just gonna do some more arc shots. Again, this is with a 332nd 6010. Also ended up being an inadvertent open root. Missed a little spot right there. Couldn't really see it from the angle I was in, but like I said, came out all right. Did the job. Stuck the rod there. Oh well. It's bound to happen a few times. You can see the spot where I wasn't able to close that up, but oh well. Like I said, came out alright, so here it is, all welded up. And like I said, it came out pretty close to what I intended for it to be. I transferred over all the material, actually almost all the material. There was some steel that I didn't get to transfer over. It just wasn't going to fit, but oh well. I'm still going to use the old rack. Take it out to the backyard just to, store whatever other scrap steel I have. So, but for now, this is fine for working on project and stuff. I haven't welded on the tabs, but I'll be end up doing that. So that's the old rack, 25 inches. The new one, just shy under 16. So, saves me a good amount of floor space there. So yeah, I'm happy with the way it turned out. Happy with the space that I ended up saving, so I can move the old rack out of the way. Make space for a bunch of my other stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.